Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darren and this is Darren's Corner. Darren's Corner is all about showing you how to make delicious and yummy recipes right from the comfort of your own home using regular ingredients you would find in your pantry, in your local store, and in your local supermarkets. On today's episode of Darren's Corner, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious and yummy drink. And that drink is called Zobo drink. Zobo is actually made from hibiscus flower and it's very yummy. But before we go into it, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, which is that red button you're seeing on your screen, and then of course on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. So let's get into the list of ingredients. First thing I'm going to be doing would be to pour my Zobo leaves in my pot, and I'm just going to rinse it slightly. I'm using normal tap water to rinse this, and once I'm done with rinsing, I'm just going to fill it up. Not fill it up, but fill the water to a certain level such that it thoroughly covers the Zobo leaves. So I'll be leaving my Zobo to soak overnight to extract all the nutrients from the Zobo. So when you check your Zobo the following day, you should see that the color is now darker, and that is because you've allowed your Zobo to steep for a while and has extracted all the colors from the Zobo leaves and the nutrients from the Zobo leaves. So the next thing I'm going to be doing would be to thoroughly rinse my pineapple, and that is because I want to use this back of the pineapple in this my Zobo drink recipe. And I'm going to be using the flesh also, but I'm going to be blending the flesh and adding it after. But the back, I'm just going to cut it, and I'll be adding it directly into the boiling Zobo drink. So the next thing I'll be doing would be to add the back of my pineapple into the Zobo drink, and then I'm also going to be adding the blended flesh of the pineapple also. And the reason why I'm adding pineapple is to add to the sweetness of my Zobo drink and thereby using less of sugar. I've also added ginger, and I'm adding blended cloves. I'm also going to be using cardamom to this in this recipe because I love the taste that it gives, and of course I'm going to be adding sticks of cinnamon into my Zobo. And you could actually decide to use blended cinnamon or blended ginger, but just know that when you blend, then you're going to be increasing the surface area in which your drink acts, and thereby you get more of those spices. But I really don't want a strong flavor, so that is why I've used whole ginger and whole cinnamon. And then I've just added sugar also into my Zobo drink, and I added a little bit of sugar because I've used my pineapple in the drink. So I'm just going to allow it to boil for a while, and I'll just continue stirring. I'm also tasting to see if the sweetness is what I want. If you want it to be sweeter, just add more sugar. Some other people will decide to use honey. So whatever works for you, just go ahead and use it. So after boiling for a while, you note that the color becomes thicker, and that is when you know that your Zobo is ready. And of course, just continue stirring and then taste. And once it's ready, you're going to sieve it because you want to drain a clear drink for further use. So I'm using my sieve to drain the Zobo, and of course you can see the contents that is in my drain, and of course the remaining Zobo leaves. You can see that the color really has changed, so I've tried to extract as much zobo from the zobo leaves, and then you can just use a spatula or a wooden spatula to press down on it to drain the excess water. And if you like, also you can just add a little bit of water to rinse out the excess juice from the leaves. So that's it, guys. Your zobo drink is ready. It's also called zoborodo, and it's also called sorrel or Russell drink by the Caribbeans. And this is actually a very nutritious drink. It's packed with lots of vitamins and nutrients, and it's actually good also for you to serve this long weekend, which is also a Thanksgiving weekend in Canada. So this is something nice to serve to your guests. Thank you guys for watching, and bon appetit.